Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unlock Apple Watch by your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy, so let's dive right into it. So first of all, make sure that you have paired your Apple Watch with your iPhone, and then you'll get the application Watch. Obviously, if you can't find this application, you can find it on your App Store. So simply open the Watch application on your phone, and then from here you can see this is my Apple Watch, and then you'll get the option of passcode. If you scroll down a bit, here you can see passcode right here. Tap on passcode, and here you can see it says that you'll have to first of all unlock your Apple Watch. So simply do that. After unlocking your phone, here you can see we have now access to the passcode, and from here all you have to do is tap on the option unlock with iPhone. Tap on it, and then you'll have to enter your phone's passcode on your Apple Watch. After doing that, here you can see we have now successfully enabled unlocking your Apple Watch by your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.